Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to use Google Docs offline. That means when you don't have an internet connection, whether you're traveling or in a poor DOE Wi-Fi zone, this method will help you edit or create documents anytime, anywhere. So it's a very simple process. And the first thing that you have to make sure is that you're using the official Chrome browser because Safari and Firefox will not be able to do it properly. So just download the browser, and then firstly what you do is go to Google Docs. Just simply search for Google Documents. Now inside Google Documents, just choose the particular document that you want to work on offline. So let's say, for example, this one. Now, once you've chosen your document, go to the File section at the top left. Then choose Make Available Offline, as you can see. Click on that, and it should now be an offline document. To check, you can click on the File menu and see if you see this option. Now you can directly go back and close the Document tab. Now, if you disable the internet, wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, there is no internet connection available. So now let's test that. To verify, first I will open YouTube, and as you can see, there's no internet connection. Now just search for Google Docs like you would in the URL section and hit enter. Inside this panel, you should be able to see all the documents that are offline and can see the symbol, which appears only for offline documents. Now, just click on that document and you should be able to edit or create anything. As you can see, it is currently working offline. So that's it. You have now enabled offline access on Google Docs. Now you can work without internet anytime you need. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching and take care.